Hi, I just want to show you a black sapote that is ripe on the tree. So as you can see here, when it's really ripe, the birds will eat it before you. So I see this pretty much every single year, but that should taste amazing. I'll show you another example of this one right here. I think when I came here this morning, it was there was still a lot more flesh on it, and now it's like completely eaten. But look inside. Oops. I would say I'll harvest it a little bit early. There's one up here that I really like, and I'm going to harvest today.